How to buy every AI token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, if you go to MEXC listing account, you will be able to find this post. As you can see, we are thrilled to announce that the EveryAI Kickstart has concluded and every AI will be listed on MEXC. As you can see, this token it's listed yesterday and now it's available on MEXC. So go to your MEXC account and buy this token. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. We'll be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with USDT. So now I will be able to I will show you how to buy this token on your account. Now go and log into your MEXC account. So go back to this page and now copy the local address. Now go back to your account. As you can see, I will just close this window. Now in the search, paste it and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, select the buy as option, click on the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy EveryAI. If you select the market, you can drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token and click on buy EveryAI. So this is how to buy EveryAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.